Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2021, on a 21 plate, Renault Clio Iconic. This is the 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Mercury Silver metallic, and it's covered just 21,000 miles. So have a good walk around of this really nice low mileage, very modern looking Clio Iconic. Very high spec example. March 2021 registered, 21,000 miles. It's had just the one private owner from brand new, so it's not been a hire car or anything like that. 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels all the way around that are in really good shape. Quite often you'll find these are quite chewed up, the alloy wheels, but these are in lovely condition. And it really sets the car off nicely. It's a very classy looking little car. Clios always look great. One of the best looking cars of this kind of size on the market, without doubt. £190 a year to tax. Good service history, been serviced every year, 3 recorded services, so properly well maintained. Just a genuinely nice car. 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run, very low insurance group. This is the 75 brake horsepower 1 litre petrol non-turbo with the 5-speed manual gearbox. Excellent fuel consumption. So it ticks an awful lot of boxes, and you've got a really high spec, like I say. I've got the keys in my pocket, it opens by itself. It's got electric power folding door mirrors. As we have a look inside. Lovely and tidy as you'd expect. Nice charcoal cloth interior. Seats are all in really good shape. It's less than 21,000 miles, actually it's 20,800, so I was underselling it to you. It does come with 2 remote key cards. All the door cards are in good condition. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable, and like I say, power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats. Lane assist. You've got your radio controls up onto the steering wheel. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, your trip computer as well, and then on the other side you've got your cruise control with a speed limiter. It does also have automatic lights, and you've got a push button to start, as you can see at the back there. Manual handbrake, couple of cup holders, 5-speed manual gearbox. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then down below we've got some storage, 2 USB inputs, a 12-volt socket, auxiliary input as well as we make our way up. Air conditioning, of course, start-stop facility which you can switch off, and then up onto your lovely infotainment screen you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, we've got satellite navigation of course, and I'll just start the car. There we go, so hopefully now we can go to the home page. We are on the home page, that's why it's not doing anything. Silly boy. So you've got Bluetooth, you've got DAB digital radio, got some apps there as well. If I put the car into reverse, you've got parking sensors on the rear bumper, and you've got your little pilot that comes up. Really nice place to be, comfortable seats, easy to use. Big fans of these little Clios. I think they just tick a lot of boxes, and they're still very stylish. Into the back, plenty of leg room. You've got 3 proper seat belts, 3 headrests. ISOFIX, of course, for the child seats. And again, nice and clean and tidy. And like I say, when you walk away, it does lock itself as it should do. How do I get into the boot now? There we go, figured that out. The button's actually just below the back of the bumper there. So into the boot space, really good size, very usable. Parcel shelf, split folding rear seats, nice and straightforward. And there we have it. 2021 on a 21 plate, Renault Clio Iconic, lovely specification. 20,000 miles from one private owner with a 3-stamp service history. Finance is of course available. There is a calculator on our website. and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory-free MOT. We're going to be replacing a couple of tyres, and does come with 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment-only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website, which is www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking example, privately owned, good service history, lovely spec, looks a really good value, modern car to me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.